Hello people, this is Aryan from Code Grind, and in today's video we'll be talking about how you can convert your website into a web app within a few minutes. And for that you just need to visit a website called appsgeyser, and it's very simple to do that. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing which we need to do is visit the appsgeyser website. I'll give a link to this website in the description. It's simply appsgeyser.com. Over here you will find this create app for free button. Click on it and then select this business website option, and you will be redirected to this page. So over here you will simply write the URL of the website of which you want the app for. I'll write the website URL techfin.com. Click on save. Now while it extracts the data, let me show you this website. So this is my own website. This is a startup kind of thing for web development. I'll give a link in this description for this website and you can visit it. Now so you see this data has been extracted, and now simply scroll down and click on this next button, and over here you can provide the name for your app and click on next. You can also have a custom icon of 512 by 512 pixels, but I'll go with the default icon. Click on next and simply click on create. So now you will be asked to log in or sign up, but since I already have an account, I'll click on login and enter my ID and password. Okay, click on login. You can simply sign up using Google or Facebook also. Click on create again, and over here you will get be redirected to this dashboard, and you can see this app has been created. Now click on download APK, and over here you will get this option of send app to email. Click on it, and now the app has been sent to your mail. So redirect to your Gmail or whatever you are using. Go to the promotions, refresh it, and go to the promotions again. So you see we have got this mail from appsgeyser. Click on this mail, and over here you see we have got this button of download your app. Click on it and you will be redirected to this page. So it's showing download has been started, and you see this APK has started downloading. It is only of 15 MBs, and this is how you can create a web app for your website within a very short period of time. So I hope you like the video, and don't forget to share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.